Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add Amazon affiliate links to your Linktree shop. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Linktree dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on the Shop tab. Then click Add and select Product. Now you'll need to grab a product link from Amazon. Go to Amazon, find the product you want to share, and click on the Get Link button at the top right if you're using the Amazon Associates site Stripe. Copy that affiliate link. Back in Linktree, paste your Amazon link into the product field and click Submit. The product will be added automatically to your shop. You'll see the product's image, title, and link all populated without needing to do it manually. Linktree also tracks the number of clicks and the click-through rate for each product. This is a great way to see which affiliate products are getting attention and converting well. If a product isn't performing, you can move it down the list or remove it entirely. When users visit your Linktree, they can click the Shop tab to see all the Amazon affiliate products you've added. From there, they can browse and buy using your affiliate links. So that's basically how you can add Amazon affiliate links to your Linktree shop. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.